We're making a fruit Jamaican rum cake. We call it fruit cake. So right now we're going to cream the butter and the sugar. So I'm just adding 2.5 pounds of sugar. So we use the stick butter. Supposed to buy the unsalted one. Well, they say 50% vegetable oil. Yeah. There's no taxi man. Oh, you look no taxi man?
Wow guys, look at this. This is so amazing.
Oh, okay. I mean, you can't tap it. Body want money right there. Body want trust me. Body want to trust. Body. Why? Yeah, it's just here, you know. If we don't sip the flour, it's gonna be lumpy. So if we make sure when you're making a cake, you have to sip the flour.
lamb chop. I'm doing pork chops. And these are the thick pork chops. So we are preparing for our Christmas dinner, but because we're going to church tomorrow, we have to start from tonight.
This is the sorrel right now in the pot.
That.
Alright.
Look
Cover
at
it top back. The nutmeg, we're gonna get the nutmeg, we're gonna get the salt. We're gonna get the rose water. We're gonna get the cinnamon powder. Our vanilla.
My daughter and I'm hearing for my face. Please go back
So we had salt, we had baking powder right now, we have cinnamon powder, we have the ground nutmeg. I'm gonna put all spice. Just judging.
When it's professional, you don't need measurements.
Yes. But make sure you use the baking powder, because if you don't use the baking powder, the cake won't rise. It will be flat. Put the cover. Okay, so this is the allspice. Yeah, allspice. the color for this? Everything. This gonna go in later, the rose water. When we get the mixture, I'm gonna put the rose water later and the vanilla later. Okay. So we'll put this, the flour mixture aside.
And what is the name of the cake that you're baking?
Rum cake. They call it American rum cake. We call it Jamaican fruit cake. Mix up the butter, the sugar is still creaming. So I'm gonna crack some egg.
So in all, guys, using 24 egg.
Picking out the eye of the egg, so we don't want the cake to, you know, too raw. So it's good to pick out those white things, the eye. Alright? Okay. So right now, when it look right, we'll turn it down a little bit, you know.
Wow, look at that.
Creamy. You know, touch it this up. Look smooth.
Look at that.
Right.
Have to give it a taste, huh?
Right, the chocolate.
Hey, my peeps. Wish you people was here to see my top chef sister in the kitchen. Oh my God. And anyway, my people, this is the first video I drop since we come to Florida. First video I got drop since we come to Florida. So hope you peeps love this one. Can see my two top chef sister in the kitchen.
So add little egg, little by little.
Look at that. This is so amazing. No, sir. And say I. Say I. How are you doing? Excuse me?
Good.
Okay, I'm glad to know you're doing good, okay? Great. Like greater cake. Am I right? Penny. So anyway, my people, we already get the egg beat out. So anyway, we have the egg I throw in from the
Butter and cream. The cream butter, that's a cream with the butter and sugar. So I'm adding the egg to it right now. You know?
stay tuned for all of that, my peeps. I wanna go epic. I wanna is a bomber. straight from out of it, Orlando, Florida. The one that is a bummer. I love the fragrance. You like the fragrance? And it's not finished as yet. Just the fragrance alone driving me crazy. Oh my goodness. So anyway, my people, we are going to take out some of the mixtures and put in at this. Mold it, man.
Put away your stomach. They're going to shine a room and look from color to color.
Then man, put out some of the mixtures because you don't want it to run over. So you have to do the thing the right and properly way. Happy Christmas to you, my people. Whenever it comes, happy Xmas, you know. Alright, that is the end of the egg churned out in the mixer.
You know, we don't have a mallet to beat the spices. We just use a bottle to beat the spice.
The old time day style. I'm beating the ginger.
Old time day style.
Old time day style this style. I'm modern day style, you know, but I don't want to do that. I want to get the old time day style.
Old fashioned way, we do our things.
We don't mallet.
No, we do our things old fashioned way.
Sorry, I never put fire now or some coal.
Talk again. Talk again.
If I have some wood fire, I should have enough cooking right now.
No man, so no, you don't want no wood fire, you know.
Some coal.
No, you don't want no coal, you know.
What do you
You
want?
want some fire stick.
Alright.
Fire stick you want.
Something, master. I can blend it, but I don't want to do it.
Check out the lamb, you know, my people. Check out the lamb. And at the old fashioned way we are go.
Now do the American style.
No, we're not in the American style, even although in America.
No,
we still give them the old fashioned way, you see me?
Yeah, I'm not give them easy style. Which I can, I don't want it to. I like my mother day style, my mommy teach me, you know?
Old fashioned way.
Grandma teach me.
Yeah, man, old fashioned way.
Grandma style.
Yes, man.
You come in a hurry. You know, the grandma style.
Because I will get everything done in And it's gonna look good like a curry.
Put not oven.
I like the fragrance.
We are going jerky.
The fragrance
So these
of
are
the
ginger. Oh, we don't want ginger. I can't put my meat. Come here, some boy. Come on.
Wow, look at that. Looking so amazing. It's so amazing. Oh my god. That's the fragrance driving me crazy. That's the fragrance alone driving me crazy. And we don't start to bake it as yet. And the fragrance alone is so amazing. This gonna be more than finger licking. Oh my goodness.
You're going to sink, you know. And the sink want enough love. Alright? Sink tired. Rub in the ginger, you know. Rub in the ginger.
Blend up. Fruits, raisin, mixed spice.
Wow.
Yummy.
Fragrance alone.
So this is mixed spice
Well marinated.
with raisin and prune, well marinated, about like a
Red
week
label wine.
or two. Red label wine,
White
you know,
rum.
white rum,
Jamaican white rum.
So we'll add it to the mixture right now.
We say, well, terminate out. And a marinate, well, terminate. Terminate right till about. We now say marinate, I say, well, terminate. Put on for a couple of days. So I can tell you.
Alright, this done. Season. Ready for Monday.
Wow. Look at that.
Alright, next.
Peeps, you will be able to see the cake baked tonight, but you're not gonna see the lamb look about tonight. The lamb will be looking about on Monday, but the cake will be baked at this moment. And Monday we will be looking about the lamb.
This is a pork chops.
So all this will be done on Monday, but you will
cut them up.
see the cake
Do
looking
some.
about tonight. Tonight we'll be doing the baking.
There will be pork stew.
Okay.
Oh.
Two big chefs in the
Which
kitchen.
we
and
have
people.
10 more mouths to feed.
Two big chefs in the
Anybody
kitchen.
want free food, no come.
Tell her about my
Cause
little
we can't
sister
eat our
over
food.
there. Wanna making the cake. She
Anybody
was
need
a
free food,
top
come.
chef at Half Moon.
Hotel.
Talk again,
And
missus.
Brent Hotel used to be the chef at Half Moon Hotel and Brent Hotel in Michigan. Half Moon Hotel is in Jamaica.
Also in Jamaica
Rosa,
too.
Jamaica.
So we got half moon.
Or Rosa Montego Bay.
And then you were the top chef of where again?
Grand Hotel
In where?
in Michigan.
Good.
Me? Me?
Grease with some butter so we can get to have the cake show inside it. That's how when the grease out in the people. Yeah, grease out nice. So no sticky, not much to stick up. So then stay tuned. So I'll let you see all the bakings and that grease, all the bake from that grease. So just stay tuned for all of that. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Was that a brownie? No. Alright. Hey, Sarah.
So we just add some Eve browning to the pork chop chewy.
Whenever we cooking, no matter how far we are, wherever we are, we still find Jamaican stuff. You see me? Cause not like yard, you know.
No sir, never
Not
lie.
like yard, you know.
Mr. Bailey, come start this sitting on the phone.
Nothing like yard, you know.
Yeah, man, yard product, you know. Yeah, man, big up Jamaica.
American stuff, them water gun, man. Hey.
Big up Jamaica, same way. Even although my portal in Orlando, Florida, now I forgot my place, and I will never will.
So, me I go rubbing it.
Yeah, man,
Get
just
me
take your
time and rubbing it.
Yes, man.
Me now also rubbing it, you know.
Two top chef sister
Get
in
me
the
time
kitchen.
and rubbing it.
Using their hand and make fashion. Look over there, look at that.
Yeah, man, say can't hungry, no.
A cake me eat. Guys, I'm gonna be honest to you.
Hey,
And the only place me come and know say food I least. Cause me can't hungry. We can't hungry.
Man, nobody can't
No,
hungry
sir.
and they want hungry.
If you say they're around my two girl
hungry
and
and you
say you're
want
hungry,
hungry.
you're wicked and you lie.
Food have to eat. So they and make fashion, no man. Where you can't brown stew your curry, where you can't curry your fry, where you can't fry man you steam, where you can't steam your something quick, you have to go down a belly, you know. Yardy.
Put this up Christmas movie, much Christmas movie.
Yardy in America. Lord God, I should name one of Yardy in America.
It's orange zest in here.
Go near to the meat to the kitchen. I'm done with that. Alright. Put them back up in the like this.
You go start it up in the
A fruit picnic tonight? My prayers with What's this?
So anyway, my people, we're not going to see the lamb. You're not going to see the lamb and the pork chop chewy. You're not going to see that look about tonight. That will be also prepared on Monday. But tonight, you'll be able to see the cake baked. As what I said before, the cake will be baking tonight, but you're not going to see the lamb and the pork chop chewy. That will be look about on Monday.
Pork chops.
Wow. Look at
Alright, girlie, we feed the whole nation.
Yeah, I love your fragrance of this, you know. I like the fragrance.
Girl, you feed the whole community, man.
Of course. That makes sense.
Well,
Give back to the
Anybody
poor.
need
I'm gonna add
food,
my rose water.
What can I say?
I'm gonna add my rose water.
You need free food, come.
I almost forgot. Gotta bring my ticket.
I'm gonna add my vanilla.
Time to miss my friend. Eat healthy. Spray, spray, spray. You like that, plant?
Get some more vanilla.
6 the film part of work, you know. Already. So I just make the oven, the film part of work. So stay tuned for all of that. Go ahead now.
So we put it in the oven.
I have to put a thick one at the bottom, the big old thick one there.
Stay tuned for all of that now, my peeps. I want more than epic, you know. Yeah, man. I want more than epic. Check out what's going on in the kitchen tonight. Remember to leave a likes. Always thumbs up. Remember, my people, cause this one is more than epic. Straight from out of my sister.
Wow, Kate, you're really good at that.
1, 2.
That's
Epic.
right. Epic. Straight from out of Orlando, eh?
Popka.
Alright, Florida. So you know the code.
No finger. Wow, impressive. And no fingers back.
Yeah, drink some up again. The turkey.
Really not
Turkey breast.
Yeah, my people. The cake has been finished baking now. So my sister getting the cake from out of the oven. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Fragrance off of the cake is so wonderful, you know. So anyway, we have 3, 4 wonderful cake. Wow, look at that. So everything be coming to an end now. So thank you my people to stay with me from the start until the finish. I really appreciate you with me here tonight. Really appreciate all my people who stay with me from the starting of the video and until the finishing. Really appreciate that, peeps, you know. Yeah man. Cake smells so great, you know. Smells so good. Yeah man. Wow.
Finished. This is the last out of the oven now. So we get 8 cake out of that batter.
That's a code.
Alright. It's our fruit cake.
Wow.
So tomorrow I'm gonna try ice mint. I'm gonna be cool. So when it's cool now we can add the red label wine.
Wow.
Over it.
Look at that.
Right?
Yeah, my people, you know it's a boy playing cuss. And I'm here in Orlando, Florida with my sister, you know. Packer, you know. Yeah, man. Orlando, Florida. Then, this is the real Jamaican cake. Jamaican Christmas cake. She's a good baker, you know. So, you don't want no stuff and kind of call my sister and order all the stuff and all, you know. Because she know the code. And she know what to do. So, anyway, my people, as you guys can see, it is 8 cake. My sister just baked 8 of them. So anyway, my peeps, I'm gonna end the video. So thank you my people for watching the video from the start until the end. Remember, please and thanks to leave a comment
And subscribe.
Alright.
Yeah. Subscribe.
And
Full on to
this
it.
comes straight from out of it.
Orlando, Apopka. Stay tuned. Florida. Stay tuned.